earlier. Cat with the double rucksacks. We're going heavyweight. Hot tent on tarp jobby.
Captain
Good to get back out.
Superweight.
Not
Captain Ultralight, it's Captain Superweight.
Tree's foaming, look. Anyone knows what causes that? Noticing a lot of bare bark on this route. Some sign of some animals coming through.
Why are we doing this?
So camp is set up. We've brought a few dry logs with us. As you can see, we've lost our light completely now. Trying to find a bit more wood, but everything is saturated. Even the dead stand in, I cut into one, it was just sodden all the way through. Wood everywhere, but not one to burn. I suppose once it gets going, it will like the wet stuff then. So we'll cut a few up ready in case. Here's the camp. So we're going with the one tiger sign wall tonight, and I got my new 4x4 tarp. Doesn't look very impressive from this side, gotta say. There we go, a little bit better from this angle. So I've got pretty dark, obviously. Nice dry area, 4 meters. Let's get this stove going. Give it a bit too much rain on that, don't I? Bit of fluff. Let's see what it's doing for a minute, shall we?
Yeah.
Should light straight away looking at it. Nice and dry. This on the other hand, it might take a while to light that. Going.
Get us dried out. It's a wee bit on the soggy side.
That's why it's worth paying £8 for a bag of logs. When the weather's like this.
Might not be the easiest thing to split, but it was dry in the middle.
Oh, that's better. That looks a bit drier, doesn't it?
Yeah, it was dry.
Who needs the gym, huh? Come on, baby. He's got it. Right, guaranteed now Poppy is next to my bed. Let's go and check it out. Excuse me? Excuse me, ma'am? Yeah. Thank you. Solid.
Yeah.
She's giving us some.
Little tip, if you've got wet wood that's too hard to batten, just strip some of this wet stuff off the outside and then pile it up around your stove or your fire to get it drying.
And a mallet now. Easier battening. I just sawed halfway through. Make it grip there. Oh, listen to that rain. Glad we're in here. I should make this for your size hands, really, shouldn't I? The battening expert. Oh, it's like a dangerous weapon, it does, isn't it? So look. Well, that's 16. Feels warmer than that.
Oh, this lovely pillow.
Yeah, this is actually mine. It's not Cat's.
It's not, it's mine.
Ballerina. We've got chicken and pasta. Ration pack. Fire's going nice. Wood's drying out. It's a bit of a mess. And that's what camping's all about. Ah. He's got a wet lunch. Water and meat mixed. Chicken pasta. First impressions, smells disgusting.
Yeah, man. Thank you. I know that well.
Glad to say it tastes better than it looks. It's alright. So it's a little bit warm in here now. Can you see how steamy the camera is? Whew. It's around 28 degrees. I'm not used to this at all.
And what?
I'm not used to it at all.
No, it's because you're from South Wales. It rains all the time. Sorry, excuse my language. Beep!
So, the main meal is about done. Chili con carne. And we're going to do some cheddar cheese mash. But we have got a problem. The water seems to be increasing in depth. It's a couple of inches deep there.
It's a bonus.
Yeah.
We've got water supply. In the
Yeah, I
bin.
can just drink straight out of the mud.
Just put your life straw in there. Be alright.
And there we go. Chili con carne. I am on the Phoenix IPA. It's a good one. I think we should get this bag out of the way. This is absolutely drenched as well. We did have Poppy sleep in here. It was too wet, so.
Yeah, look at this. It's just like a
Just made
puddle
her way
there, look. Literally. This is soaking.
Where can we put your bag? It's a bit drier over there, I think.
Yeah. Can't really see on the camera.
Yeah. I'll put my hand in it.
Yeah.
It's pretty wet. So outside the tent where I was chopping wood earlier. Yeah, it's, I don't even know where it's all coming from because it's a tarp covering all this. What's it like underneath that?
Do you want to shake that out square?
Oh God, it's sodden.
Oh, you can't.
So like underneath.
Not too bad.
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh, it could be pitched here, I suppose. Yeah, that's the worst bit, look. Oh dear. Tell me all about it. You are hard done by. Poor dog. Woken up in the bog. King of the swamp. I've had these new head torches to try out. Got the Elf C2 and This ultralight one, proper light, that one. I'll do a proper review of these soon, I think. A separate video. Right, I'm going to try this muesli today. This has come all the way from Bothy in Yorkshire. I've carried it on a couple of camps, I just never ate it. I'm supposed to do it with cold water. It doesn't feel like a cold water kind of morning. So I'll warm some up. So you've got to fill this up to line 3, but it's on the outside of the packet. It's hard to do. You can put it on the inside a bit easier. So one tigress iron wall. It's given up the ghost, I think. It's, I mean, we were in a puddle. It's just totally come through. See, look how wet this mat is. That's just come from the floor.
You're going for a 3-can stamp, are you?
That's right.
Whee! Look at that.
A bit sideways, aren't I? So I've come across this patch of woodland that's in a hell of a state. Look at this. But there is this tin sheet material here. It does give me some ideas about making a proper shelter. I think if I was going to do it round here, I'll bring a bin bag, have a clear up, find a dry spot and build something.
Come in a bit closer. Weirdly, the mat is drier on the bottom than it is on the top.
How does that work? That's weird, huh?
I'm turning it over.
Maybe like kneeling on it, suck the moisture through. Oh yeah.
Slightly.
I can see a tribe there.
Yeah, that's dry. Discovered why. As soon as you kneel on it, water just comes through.
Loads of it, yeah.
There's those little holes. I think I need a new one.
Not the best tarp configuration in the world ever, but it worked. Give us a little dry area outside. I'm going to have a go with a plough point to this. I think it'll make a massive thing, 4 metres. I've got a renewed respect for cats after this weekend. There's not many girls who would come out to the woods, sit in the mud, especially when there's a nice house a mile down the road. What a lady she is.
Representing for the girls.
There we go, leave no trace. All this wood was here before. I think we're going to do a little litter pick, is there?
Aye, yeah, there's loads of rubbish over there where other people camp, so we'll pick up a few bits and bobs before we go home.
Yeah.
Leave no trace. Can't fit any more in the bag, unfortunately. I wish I could pick more up.